Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be reminded of new videos whenever I upload them. So I'm on the Ethereum Foundation blog today. This was posted 24th of August, and if I scroll down you can see some good news here. Today we're excited to announce that Compound grants Kraken, Lido, Synthetics, The Graph, Uniswap grants are donating $250,000 each to support Ethereum execution layer client teams. This project is the result of several months of work and will supplement the significant funding provided by the Ethereum Foundation this year. This fundraiser will have no impact on the EF continued financial support for these teams. Okay, so this is a very good news spot here. Okay, letting you know that Lido is one of a few entities that are donating $250,000 to support the execution layer, which is powerful, the Ethereum execution layer client teams. Okay, so the recipients, the recipients of this funding are Besu, Eragon, Geth, Nethermind, and Nimbus. Okay, so I'm going to actually click on these so we can see their websites. So this is Hyperledger Besu, and as you can see that this is one of the open source Ethereum clients developed under the Apache 2.0 license. So this is one of the recipients. Got Eragon here. So this is on Ledger Watch as well. This is Eragon. Got Geth. So you can see Geth here. Go Ethereum. So this is the official Go implementation of the Ethereum protocols. You can see this. Everything you can see is open source and is on GitHub. You can see it. So this is Geth. Got Nethermind here. Nethermind, you can see here, is an Ethereum solution for developers and enterprises. Okay, very good. And we've got Nimbus. So here's Nimbus, and Nimbus is another client as well on Ethereum. Is a client, and it has an implementation for Ethereum 2.0 and Ethereum 1.0. So all these clients are getting ready for Ethereum 2.0, and money is being pumped into these projects, it's these entities, Compound, Kraken, Lido, Synthetics, The Graph, Uniswap, that are donating $250,000 each. And if I click on Lido, obviously it's going to take you to the Lido, their FI. So Lido is committed to the security of the network. Lido is committed to actually doing their best to donate to the Ethereum Foundation to get things going, to make things secure, to make sure the execution layers are secure, to make sure that they are supporting these entities that are there to make this execution layer powerful. I know this may sound really technical, but what you got to understand is that Lido is a real entity. It's a real company, and it's a real powerful group of developers, node operators that are here to create a decentralized liquid staking solution. Okay, a decentralized liquid staking solution that is not pulled into one place. So when you come to stake your crypto on Lido, okay, like we have, so if I log back in, so for me, I'm staking my some Ethereum on here on Lido through my ledger live. It's not when I stake my Ethereum here, I'm not just relying on one staking provider when I'm staking. Lido distributes my stake amongst many, so that it is a decentralized action. Okay, and that's what we want. We want the network to be as decentralized as possible. We don't want it all to be done best by one entity, and if you got one point of failure. We want to be decentralized as much as possible, and Lido being one of the investors, or what I would say is those that are donating $250,000 to the Ethereum execution layer client teams. That's a very powerful move for Lido, okay? And it shows that they are very, very, very interested in making sure that the execution layers, okay, get the right funding, and that they have the right things going for them, so that everything is secure and powerful, and that Ethereum 2.0 can be rolled out with, rolled out smoothly. Okay, so if you want to check this out, I'm gonna actually post this blog link so that you can actually read this fully if you want to. It's directly from the ethereum.org, the blog, Ethereum Foundation blog, and it was posted on the 24th of August. So great news for those who are with Lido, who are wondering whether Lido's real, wondering whether Lido's this or that, or they're in two minds, not sure whether they should stake their Ethereum with Lido. By all means, do your due diligence. By all means, come to when you check it out, because you may have a ledger already. If you're checking out on a ledger, then what I would say, go to lido.fi. If you don't have a ledger, you're gonna have to go to lido.fi anyway, and just come to the about and click on FAQ and check this out. Check out the Lido architecture and go through all of the FAQs, go through the staking FAQ, go through the widget FAQ, and the Ethereum 2.0 FAQ. Once you go through all these FAQs, you will understand what we have with Lido. Okay, because people are asking a lot of questions, this, that, and the other, whether they can lose their money and all of that. What you got to do is you got to understand the project that you have. I'm not telling you that you have to believe everything, but we have a system here that has a direction and a focus on decentralization. Okay, and I don't see many other protocols doing that. So especially if it's on a centralized exchange and you're staking your Ethereum on a centralized exchange, it's not the same. So Lido is definitely ahead of the curve. If you're brand new to my channel, please subscribe, please like this video, and I hope this has been informative for you to make an informed decision as to whether you want to get started with Lido and start staking your Ethereum. I love it hasn't failed me, it's perfect, I love it. I'm making 4.6% APR. Can't make that in your bank. My staking amount is going up every day, and it's liquid because I can do whatever I want with this ST-ETH, which is pegged to Ethereum. Anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.